before I count to 3.
Yo, welcome back everybody on the Rocks Entertainment. Sorry I haven't vlogged for a while. The camera's shaky because I'm trying to hold it and vlog at the same time. Just took a break. Be transparent with you guys. I was playing Mortal Kombat XL. I was trying to win as Jason from Friday the 13th. I think I killed about 70% of the roster, so pretty good. But today, a little project. Let me show it to you guys. Got my mic on because of the wind situation. So here's one of my bikes right there, the one you guys see me riding all the time. It's my Specialized hardtail. What I'm planning to do is I'm planning to put a kickstand on there, because every time I'm laying that shit on the ground, so I put a little kickstand so you know you can stand up. Then my OG bike over here, it's my Trek. This is a special frame. It's a 29er. Gary Fisher. So it's about 4 years old, but love this bike. But as you can see, we got some issues with the flat tire there. So I happened to get into Walmart. You know, there was no line. I got this cheap tire right here. It's a 29. I don't know if the width is gonna work, but you know, $8, so might as well try. I got 2 kickstands gonna put on 2 bikes, not my 2 bikes, but one on my black bike, the first bike I showed you guys, and the other one on my brother's bike, because he rides along with me, so he can hopefully kickstand too. This is either gonna be a good video or a complete fail, but you know what? Just gonna do it anyway. So as you guys know, I've been riding my bike a lot lately, so it's a good investment to do, fix these bikes. Get a lot of rides out of them. Hoping you guys are getting some exercise and everything too. As always, my channel is about positivity. It's about having fun. It's about being entertained, inspiring, all of the above. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just kidding. But yeah, let's go work on some bikes. All right, let me just see here. Just gonna mess with the self cameraman. I got this on a tripod, so I'm just gonna see where this fits. I think right there is perfect. You guys can see me fix the bike. So I don't know if you guys getting me on film, but basically I'm just gonna bolt the kickstand right about there. So let me see if I can get that kickstand thing apart and bolt it to the bottom of this bad boy over here. This is a Specialized hardtail, 27.5. It's an odd size, aka a Kawasaki. The other one's a Yamaha. You already know that. All right. So I got the little kickstand thing over here, which we're gonna put on the bike. Of course, it comes with instructions, but that might be like Australian spec. So you know what I mean. Just gotta figure it out on your own. That's how you do it. Basically, I don't know if you guys can see me. Just gonna put it flat over here, like so. I think I have to rest. I should have probably took the tire off, but you know what? Let me see if I can wallow that piece in first. It's gonna get in the way of the tire. Did I go downward or something? Does it go the other way? It's like it's equal on both sides. Maybe it goes this way. You just gotta wiggle it around, figure where it goes. This is not going to be perfect by any figure of imagination. Yeah, it's going to go like this. So you're going to slide in. And find a way to bolt. Might have to take off the back tire to do
Alright,
this.
just let you know I'm going to speed up a little part of the video, so it's going to be fast forwarded a little bit, just to save some time.
Hold up, you guys. I might have to take off the back tire. Okay, so we're gonna fix that tire. One thing I failed to let you guys know is this has an adapter, because this bike has a funny, where is it? It's got a funny presser valve. So this has to go over it, screw down, so that we can put air in it. And I got my air gun here from Home Depot. About 20 bucks. The battery is the most expensive part. Not sponsored, but these always come in handy. Again, we're going to try to put in this tires here, and it says it has the lever inside to pull the tire off. We shouldn't have too much of a problem, because usually you have to deflate the tires. Those bad boys are just like pre-deflated, so I just got to get off the bike.
Okay, we're just going to do a voiceover. Gonna speed through here, basically cleaning the little axle piece there. Unboxing this real quick. Fast forward, because this would have been like 15 minutes. Taking out that tube there. This is a presser valve, it's not a regular valve, so that's what I was pointing at earlier. Right now I'm using the two tools to dismount the tire. And I unscrew the valve to unleash. And then Hulkamania goes wild as I rip the old tube off. Clean the surface. Just getting a little pattern with the old tube to figure out the new tube. It's always a good idea. They're slightly different size, so we're going to modify it and kind of wrestle around for a little bit. And that's hence why I'm fast forwarding this. Line the tube on there. This guy, he works so fast. You heard of the Flash? You never heard of Honor Rock? They him the fastest guy in the world. He can't even talk fast. So just lining it up. Now I'm putting it in the tube to the tire. Trying to get these both together. And then later on I'm going to add a little air in there to get some structure, to get a form. And then decrease the air to tuck and groove. And increase the air to get form again. And you know, bring some repeat. So you'll see me put air a couple times. Deflate. And then feed it all into together there. Good job, man.
Okay, wrestling match is over. I don't know if you get this, but it's kind of a dirty wheel. But we got the tire. It's all beaded on to the rim. Now we just got to get it back on the bike. And I'll cut back. So now you can see I got the bike. It's full assembled behind me. I'll take the camera off and show you a closer view, and in a moment of truth, I'm going to jump on that bad boy and see if it breaks down to the ground like a pile of chopsticks. Is my audio still on? Yep, I'm wearing a mic because the wind is out here. So, tighten it all down again. Now it's solid, it's not flat. Once again, we worked on 2 bikes today. Got a lot of stuff to clean up over there, but sorry if it's shaky, this is not on a gimbal. It's my Panasonic kickstand on that one. Okay, I got bike number 2 laying in the dirt over there. It's never been rid for 3 years. To see if I jump on it and don't break it. I'm sure there's gonna be things I have to grease up and tinker with, but here goes nothing. Got brand new tires. Looks good to me. We have a seat after this hard work. Hopefully I'm in the frame again. So hope you guys didn't fall asleep during this little film. Fixed my two bikes. One bike is 100% with the kickstand. The thing is dope. The other bike, slight little readjustment of the disc brakes and lubricating the chain and stuff. It's all dry. I haven't been ridden in a long time, so when you don't ride it, there's a lot of rust that I have to shave off to make it smooth again and lubricate and all that. But man, I'm so stoked that I have two bikes that work right now. So hopefully I can ride the Trek again. I give it a little 1 or 2 miles. I used to go really fast in that. I gotta get some steel wool and sand on the risers and all that stuff. But again, sorry I didn't upload a video a couple days. I was playing some Xbox. Just chilling. Hope everybody else is doing good, and my videos are entertaining yet helpful for you guys. Check this out. This is a cool little. The weather over here is stormy, but as always, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe. No pressure, you know. I'm all about just having fun. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and yeah, thanks for tuning in.